Hey everybody, how are you doing? Welcome back to Keep It Dirty. And I'm your podcast host, Leslie Dowling. And my podcast is all about how we navigate this ever changing environment we're living in to live functionally and sustainably. And a lot of my guests share their why behind navigating through our ever changing environment and just eating clean and how they have made a switch to live just healthier and long lasting lifestyles for a new you, a better version of you. So I just wanted to wish everybody a happy 4th of July. This week is 4th of July on Friday, and I usually record on Wednesdays. So I am just down at my beach house, my escape, and wanted to share and see how everybody is doing. Love to hear any comments or questions or concerns about your health or just trying to switch up summer regime of eating healthier, maybe switching up your exercise program. I know I get burned out from certain types of exercises, and our body is just such this amazing machine with so many muscles and the way we move, in the way that we stretch. And the more we can switch up and create a new game plan for our exercise plan, the better off we are. I'm going to try to take a deep dive more into Pilates, but I really like some of the YouTube videos on HIIT exercises with weights. I usually use 15, 10, 5-pound weights. I do a lot of upper, lower leg. And when it's raining, like today, it's overcast down in Cape May. I try to do 45 minutes of some sort of exercise on my YouTube channel. I have my stretch bands. And also today, I'm taking advantage of prepping. Yes, prepping your food for a couple of days. I bought fresh vegetables, cucumbers and zucchini and mushrooms. I'm going to saute the zucchini. I like putting in some fresh tomatoes, dicing that up, and using some Italian seasoning, and then putting fresh locatelli cheese over top of it. And the cucumber, I usually do like a cucumber salad. You could do like a vegan mayo or dairy-free mayo or something that you really enjoy. There's the avocado mayo, which is really good with salt and pepper, putting some of the mayo into that, mixing that up with thin slices, and also sauteing mushrooms. Mushrooms are just amazing, amazing food that helps your brain, stimulates your brain to be more clear. I like lion's mane and certain various types of mushrooms that I find at the farmer's market now. I saute that just with some garlic, and I like using the avocado oil and a little bit of the ghee, and it tastes delicious with some sort of pasta. I know I'm trying to be more gluten free, so I use there's zucchini pasta, all types of things out there now, different variations of vegetable pastas that are really delicious. So when you get an opportunity, especially for the summer, take advantage of the fresh fruits and vegetables that are available. The herbs, fresh herbs, basil. Basil is excellent over top sliced tomatoes with olive oil, balsamic vinegar, some salt and pepper. And if you want to shave some thin slices of, say, your favorite cheese, I like locatelli, go for it. And you could eat larger portions and you'll fill yourself up quicker if you eat healthier foods with no processed ingredients, no packaged ingredients. Try to start weaning yourself off of that if you can, and prep for a couple of hours one day. And like I said, it's just a rainy, dreary, dismal day down at the beach today. So I'm going to take advantage of prepping my food, and I'll have small containers. So if I want to head to the beach or I have something going on with, I have a Zoom call, I will take that out. And usually I like to use the glass containers because, as we all know, the plastic containers does seep out and the food absorbs the chemicals that are in the plastics. So just be careful of that. And there's a lot out now. It's interesting now, World News is coming out with this aha moment, like microplastics are shown in our blood. Oh my gosh, that it lays dormant in our system like forever. But we really have to be more adamant on with the younger generation, not giving them plastic bottles, the water bottles to drink from. Give your kid the metal containers that they could refill their water. And if you go through a drive-through, and right now everybody's doing like more ice drinks, but I know in the wintertime, the hot drinks, like if I get like I like the organic coffees. So, but if you do go through a drive-through, see if they would pour into your metal container whatever you're going to drink. Or as soon as you get it, pour the plastic cup. They usually put it into a metal container. Your body will thank you for that. With that, also, just be careful with the suntan lotion. Make sure there's not a lot of chemicals in it, especially if you're putting it on your children too, and any age, any generation. Just be careful because the skin is our largest organ. And what happens is we absorb that and it just lays in our system. It actually causes hormonal imbalance with estrogen levels. And it's like this toxic sea, this pool in our gut. So our gut health is not only what we're ingesting, putting in our mouth, but what we're putting on our bodies from head to toe. Just a reminder of that. So I'd love to answer any questions. If anybody has any concerns or questions about my protocols, I've been doing this healthy lifestyle for many, many years. And I guess the catalyst for that was losing my father when I was 23. He was young. He had a massive heart attack. It wasn't like he was overweight, but he smoked cigarettes. And when he would get stressed out, work stressed him out, whatnot, he would smoke more. So it was a vicious cycle. And that's why I'm really, really passionate about not monetizing, but to make changes in people's thought process of having that light bulb go off and say, you know what? I like what she said. It resonates with me. And why can't I feel good about myself and get the sleep I need? Because when our hormones are off balance, our circadian rhythm, our sleep patterns are offset. So it's really a domino effect. So many things, think of a wheelhouse, go into, and the wheel, the hub, the central area of where those spokes go in is the human body. So it's the environment. That's in one spoke. So it's where are we living? Are we living near chemical plants? Are we living near a lot of, areas that might have manufacturing of chemicals that they use that's going into the air or being held underground in vats, in chambers that unfortunately there was a battery company in Pennsylvania that they stored all of the chemicals from the batteries in underground, and these containers started leaking, and you could go online and see that there are pockets of areas in Pennsylvania, in the Northeast area, where people had there was a higher rate of leukemia, cancer, different types of cancers. So just really be aware of where you're living, what the environment is like. If you have an older home, if you have older homes with mold in the basement where there's a lot of flooding going on, that could spike allergies, rashes, headaches. So just try to be your own detective. Try to connect the dots and figure out what's going on with your body, what's going on with your children. Keeping journals is a great idea too. Journaling anything from what's going on with when you come home. Do you start getting headaches when you're home, or more so, say, at work? I was working with a client a couple of years ago, and he kept complaining that when he went to work, he couldn't understand why he started with these headaches and rashes. And then it would kind of calm down when he was home over the weekends. So we figured out that the filter system at work was very old and archaic, and there was mold that they found. So there's so many different avenues of maybe why you're not feeling well. So it's not just what you're eating, but other factors. So I hope that helped you all out. I hope everybody has a safe, healthy, happy 4th of July. And next week, I will have Andrew Guiarte on my show. He is going to talk about Humboldt Healing Company and how he has been able to battle Lyme's disease and keep it at bay. He is a local company in Pennsylvania, in the Reading area, that you could go on his website, Hunwold Healing Company, to find salves for migraines, headaches, also with aches and pains. And I attest to it. I fully back it. I use that myself, and for my three sons when they went off to college, I had a care package, and some of the things were from his company. So take care, and remember, have a great, wonderful 4th of July, and try to ground with Mother Earth. Get those shoes off, ground with Mother Earth now that the weather is warmer. Get out there on the beach, take a walk around the block. If you're in the city, take your shoes off if you're in the park, just to feel the dirt and the energy from the ground just coming through you. And if you have an opportunity, please rate, review, and subscribe to Keep It Dirty, because the more people I could get my voice out with my knowledge and just my experience in life, the more people I can connect with and have a pleasant experience with listening to shorter versions and more fact-filled with tips, tools, and strategies on Keep It Dirty. All right, take care, and remember to keep it dirty. Bye.